Hey guys, a little to you. Welcome back to another BravoCraft video. Where today I am back at the shop, I guess. But, wait a minute. What should we do today? I'm thinking. Let me think. First, I'm gonna make a bunch of chests. Crap. Work. Dear. Crap, it's night. Okay, let's go to bed. So, yeah. Stuff. I'm joking, but, I think we should look for the stuff that has. I think we should get some of the stuff. Sugar. Go. Stone. We do not have. Okay. Bucket. Okay, this is way too. This is way too bad. Bucket. Cobblestone. What? No, not 5 times glass. Glass. 1 iron. And so, I think, okay, I'll get the sugar. What was that? I just doubled. I'm gonna kill you, horse. Okay, where's up with my connection? Okay, that is. Did I just pick up something? I have no idea what I just picked up. But let's get some sugars, and that was a weird lag. Okay, there's a lot of sugar here. Mine. And I'm already gonna die. This is gonna be a pain to walk all the way back home. No. Right, get some of that sugars. Oh wait, there's a bunch over there. I'm gonna go grab that. Okay. Is that a different color? That's weird. Oh, I heard you, Skellbone. Shut up, chicken. Don't want to talk to you. You just poop. You just poop on me? You just poop. You just pooped. No one poops on me. Nom. Let's take some stuff. Mine. 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 Okay, so okay, there's our home. I'll be at my house. What the crap is this thing? I have no idea. I'm gonna die. I have nothing I could eat. Well, oh wait, if we had a hoe. Yeah, if we had a hoe, we could make some food. Especially with some bone meal. Okay. Why is the owner keep leaving this stuff? I am still the only one online. Great. Okay. Yeah. I'm not gonna eat it, Dom. What? What just happened? Where's my anvil? Holy crap! What the fudge just happened? Where's my anvil? No. Don't tell me that was an update. Don't tell me if you use an anvil 3 times it breaks. That is messed up. I spent like, let me do the math. Whoops. Dang it, I keep pressing the unpause button. Math. I spent 31 freaking iron on that thing. And it's gone. That was all my iron. Pretty much, I spent half my iron. That is so close. If I would have had one more iron added to that, that would be pretty much half my iron. I had 64 iron, and then I spent the rest on Dom's stuff, and then I have one more iron in that area thing, and then I have a bucket somewhere. Wait a minute, where's my bucket? Dom. Anyway, let's get on to what we are doing. Okay, sugar. Alright, got 50 sugar. That's bucket. Oh yeah, I use. Wait, no, I need this. Glass one. And then sand. 10 sand. Stone. Okay, we need to make some stone soon. But first, we need to make. Crap, I hate you, son. You're evil. No one likes you. You always said it the wrong time. Okay. Need to make a water sauce. A water sauce. It's a little funny. I should have put this here first. Should have been the first thing I did. One more. Please, I need just 2 more buckets of water. For the second one for something else, but Go, 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 go. Oh, now my hunger is killing me. Terrible day. At least I got my infinite water sources. Go, go. Fine, you want some food? Here's your food. How do you like that, stomach? Sometimes I hate hunger. Don't move. Almost. Okay, that's good. At least my hunger is pretty much refilled. Alright, so I need a cobblestone generator. I can't remember the recipe though. How do it? Oh, come on, Dom. Go. Hero Brian? Is that you? I'm scared. Well, we're doing what we're doing. Let's just look at my channel. 46 vids. Guess bitter. Cut. What? Wait. Okay, I'm just gonna not worry about that. Like this. 434 views, 9 subscribers. Yeah, I hope I get famous. Hope I start to pick up fame soon. No, I'm never gonna be famous. Except I hope I do. Come on, Mr. Chicken. Will you ever come out of your dumb egg? You didn't. Mr. Chicken came out. Oh, I love you, Mr. Chicken. Oh, yes, I do. Oh, you won't even talk to me. That's the way it's gonna be. I'm sorry. Goodbye, Mr. Chicken. You're going in a timeout. Oh, he's dead. Forever. Wait. My eggs. Stop stealing my eggs, Dom. Just stop. Oh, look, Dom made a little garden here. Nice. Alright, guys, unfortunately, that's going to have to be the end of this episode of BravoCraft, and I'll see you in the... Really bothering me. In the next episode... Wait. No, wait, never mind. Goodbye! Not yet. Wait. Just stand here. Wait for it. Goodbye!